Hey guys, this is Cody with PSI Power. Today we've got a 2005 Fleetwood American Eagle Motorhome in the shop. It's equipped with a 9-liter Cummins engine with a Bosch fuel rail system. So today we're going to be installing our 52,000 part number. Give us a few minutes, we'll get access to the engine bay and show you where it hooks up. Alright, so now we've gained access to the engine. So now what you're going to be looking for is the fuel pressure sensor that's located on the side of the fuel rail. So you'll see here on this engine, it's located right here with this 3-pin connector. So all you're going to do is grab the release tab, squeeze it, disconnect the connector like so. Take the harness that comes included with the kit, plug our female connector back into the fuel pressure sensor itself. You should hear an audible click, and then always double check, make sure it is fully seated. Now that you have that side connected, take your female connector from your factory harness, hook it back up to our harness. Again, double check, make sure your connections are tight and secure. Now, all you have to do is mount and secure the wiring harness up.